How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Fire TV Stick 4K, and this is the 2020 release version. So this is the newest one, the latest and greatest ones that you can order on Amazon. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see all the contents that are included inside. And let's go ahead and just pull out the contents right now inside. So it comes in this neat little packaging right here. We'll just open it right from the top right there. There we go. All right, so we have everything out of the box. Let's go ahead and go over what's all included here. So we have the pamphlets right here. There's 3 different ones. If you want to go ahead and read through those, you can, which I'm sure you're not going to. So we'll go ahead and throw those aside. We've got the remote itself. So the 4K version is the one that controls your TV and your volume. So you can control the power on your TV. You can control your volume, the mute, and all of that good stuff right there. And we do get 2 AAA batteries that are included, Amazon branded, of course. So let's go ahead and just throw those right into there. You can see how it works just like that. It's kind of got that long way of going ahead and doing that. And we're going to go ahead and throw that one in there and that one just right in there. And then that will just slide back on. There we go. So we've got it all slid back on. Your remote's all good to go. Now we've got your actual Fire Stick 4K. This is it right here. It's got the nice little Amazon logo just right on there. It says HDMI just on this side. And then on the other side, it does have your power switch, which you're going to plug in your cable, which we'll go over that in a second. So we've got the piece right here with the HDMI on it. You're going to plug that right into your TV. And if you need an extension, a lot of TVs are a little bit hard to access an HDMI piece. So you can use the extension adapter that they include for you. So what you can do is you can go ahead and plug in your Fire Stick into there and then plug this piece right into your HDMI cable. And we do have right here your cable and adapter for the power. So this is a micro USB. So it's not micro USB-C. I'm sure the next version is going to be a USB-C, but it's USB-A to micro USB. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and just plug this part right into there. And then this piece is going to plug right into your Fire Stick TV. There we go. And that's all plugged in. So you've got this plugged into your power. This goes into your TV and you're absolutely ready to go. So you just use this. There's no additional HDMI cables or anything that you do need for it. One thing that I can tell you is you can purchase a separate adapter, which I will link below for you. So you can plug right into here. So you can actually hardwire internet connection. So you don't have to use this through Wi-Fi. So if you don't have a strong Wi-Fi connection or you have your LAN or hardwired internet really close by, I would suggest using that. It's definitely going to make your experience a lot better to have a hardwired connection. So you can pick up that adapter with this. Now I'll link this down below for you as well. So if you want to pick up one of the Fire Stick TV 4Ks. In the comment section down below, let me know if you've picked up a Fire TV Stick 4K. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.